Hello and welcome to the lesson 4. Today we'll explain the text tab. First, as simple as that, we have add text. We put any text we like, we adjust the text. And here we have the parameters on the right corner. The animation, tracking, text to speech. I'll explain those from text to animation to tracking, also text to speech, and all things related to the timeline in different lessons. But now let's focus only on the left side. Yours, as we saw on audio, you have your favorite here. So you go and preview some text. You like this one, you put the star on it, and after syncing with the program on the cloud, they will put it in your favorite here. Okay. Here on the text effects, you can click and drag to enter. Let me delete this. To enter your desired text. Let's say we like this one, so we put it right here and we can type anything. Okay. And also if you like this one or any others, you can drag them and put them right there. So this will be your default text, and whatever you write, it will appear in this shape. Okay, back to text templates. So those text templates, like when you are typing anything, it will appear in this way. So you can just hover the mouse over them and see a preview from the outside. Okay, like this one. As you see. Okay, you have tons of them right here. Now for the auto caption, it's a premium feature. You can auto generate your captions. Select the language you are speaking with. Bilingual captions, of course, is supported. And here is identifying filler words. Now if we press on generate, which is a pro feature, now as you can see, there's a caption right here and it's all synced. Welcome everyone to Danny's quickest tutorial. Okay. So here, if you have SRT file, you can import it right here, then you can drag it and drop it right there. So that would be it for the text tab. Again, I'll explain all the things on the right side in upcoming lessons. But as for now, thank you so much for watching.